सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोऽस्तुते।
Hello everyone, my name is Parinita Patri and I welcome you all with a warm heart today, because today is Dashara and I wish all the PMC English viewers a very happy Dashara and a Vijay Dashami. So today we are all going to hear lots of divine feminine energies talking about the importance of Dashara, my dear friends. So firstly, let me tell you my version of Dashara. So Dashara for me is a beautiful and auspicious day for all of us to celebrate the divine feminine energies within us. No matter whether we are a man or a woman, there is a goddess that resides in each and every one of our hearts. And a heart is what is femininity means. So today, my dear friends, let us all recognize the divine feminine energies within ourselves and try to get connected to our own hearts, the goddess that is sitting within us. Let us try to listen to her, to understand her, to know her better so that we understand ourselves better. So this Dashara, my dear friends, follow your heart, listen to your heart and see what the goddess has for you, what messages the goddess has in store for you. When we say divine feminine energies, it means your heart. Femininity is all about your heart. So what does a heart consist of? It consists of love, it consists of compassion, it consists of generosity, patience, humility, tenderness, softness, affection. So my dear friends, this is not the only day that you get connected to your heart and bring out the femininity within you, whether you're a man or a woman. Each and every day, bring out the femininity in you. Do meditation every day and practice cultivating your heart every second of the day. So thank you so much, my dear friends. This is my message for Dashara, and many more women are here to share their version of Dashara with us. So what are we waiting for? Let's start listening to them. Once again, a very happy Dashara to all of our dear PMC English viewers. Thank you so much.
Hi viewers, this is Shruti wishing you a very happy Dasara for PMC English viewers. Dasara is very auspicious festival for Hindus. Dasara means Dasha plus Hara. We should purify 5 Gnanendriyas and 5 Karmendriyas, and we should celebrate the Dasara in a very beautiful way. And we should also cultivate divine feminine energies inside us. The way Lord Rama had defeated the 10-headed Ravana, in the same way we should defeat our inner demons and celebrate the festival. This is my message on the occasion of this Dasara. Once again, wishing you a happy Dasara. Namaskar.
Hello everyone, this is Ayushi Farasi. I wish all the viewers of PMC English a happy Dashara. Today I am here to share my understanding on Dashara. Your soul is Rama, your mind is Sita, your breath is Hanuman, and your awareness is Lakshmana, and your ego is Ravana. When the mind is stolen by the ego, then the soul gets restless. Now the soul cannot reach the mind on its own, so it has to take the help of breath, the prana, by being in awareness. With the help of the prana and awareness, the mind got reunited with the soul and the ego died. So this Dasara, let's burn the ego and kill the pride. Happy Vijay Dashami to everyone.
Namaskar my dear friends, my name is Kavita. I wish you a very happy and victorious Dashera to all our PMC English viewers. Friends, there is no evil or darkness outside, and when I started realizing them, I started accepting them too. I could purify myself, and I realized I am getting victory over my own vices, and still I am in the process. मेरे लिए अपने ही दुर्गुणों पर विजय ही दशहरा है। Thank you so much.
Hello PMC English viewers, Happy Dasara. It is well known that Goddess Durga transformed herself into different avatars depending on the need and situation. Even today, women mirror this trait in everyday life, from wife to mother, from daughter to sister, from employee to homemaker. This ability should be celebrated and appreciated. May this Dasara fill your life with happiness, positivity and togetherness. Once more, Happy Dasara.
Hello everyone, I am Salakshi. Happy Dasara to all PMC viewers. For me, Dasara is to burn all the vices mushrooming inside through the path of meditation and getting connected to the Dasara consciousness and awakening the energies of God and goddesses within ourselves and winning over our demons caused by our dynamic aspects is the real essence of Dasara. Thank you all.
Hello PMC English viewers, wishing everyone a happy Dasara. My way of celebrations of Dasara festival is, it is a festival of 9 days, which brings people to rejoice. This festival is an realignment of energies in our lives. This is an occasion where everyone participates and chill out their Dandiya and Garba nights. This is also an occasion where people meet their near and dear ones. A time for new beginnings and stay happy, spread love. Thank you, this is Pranamika.
Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Shalini from Pyramid Valley International. On this festive season, Dasara, I would like to express my gratitude to each and every person in my life and also each and every apparatus which has been helping me to mold me today. That is why we also celebrate Ayuda Puja, which is seldom our gratitude to every being and every apparatus in our life. Especially Dasara means victory. It is to symbolize our life always would march towards victory. And the main motto of PSSM is be a light unto yourself. So remember that we are all light beings and enjoying our life on this planet Earth. Thank you.
Hello friends, Namaste. I'm Gayatri, currently living in UK. For me, Dasara means inner transformation and divine feminine Sangha. Many blocks were cleared within me when I have received the right wisdom through this divine feminine Sangha platform. Thank you.
Namaste, I'm Anupatri here. To me, Dasara is to purify my 10 senses, Gnanendriyas and Karmendriyas, and to rejoice the victory over my inner demons, to be one with the Supreme Self.
Hello friends, I'm Isha Goyal from Kolkata. For me, Dashera means to burn the evil within you. There is no evil outside. Thank you.
My name is Shima and I'm from Malaysia. My understanding about Dasara means it is a Hindu festival, a major Hindu festival celebrated at the end of Navaratri each year. And as what I have understand about Dasara is good vanquish evil and good always vanquish evil and light always conquer darkness. That's it. Thank you very much.
Dasara reveals the truth that should everyone have same qualities as Mother Earth, our universe, nature. Whatever you say, Happy Dasara.
Namaskar. Happy Dussehra to all. For me, Dussehra is the victory of truth over untruth, the victory of virtues over vices. So let us enhance our virtues and say goodbye to our vices, 10 vices, which is meant to be a Dussehra. Thus 10 Hara, victory over 10 vices. So let us move on the path of truth and victory. Happy Dussehra. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Nandini and I'm here to share what Dussehra means to me. Well, Dussehra I feel is an occasion, is a special occasion on which we can acknowledge all the dark residing within us, all the dark side, emotions and thoughts, all of that. should acknowledge it and accept it and let it go. The moment we let go all of that, we open the doorways to let the light within us shine. And yes, that is what Dussehra is to me, to let the light within us shine. And that light is going to enlighten so many. So happy Dussehra to all. Thank you.
Hi everyone, warm greetings and happy Navratras. I would love to share what Goddess Durga and the 9 days of fasting mean to me. Goddess Durga is powerful, courageous, ageless, fearless and independent. She is compassionate, clever, celestial, angelic, majestic and mighty. Let us worship her for all these 9 days, but let us celebrate her for every single day of our life and imbibe her in each one of us. I do fast for all the 9 days of the Navratras, but I fast for the purification of my soul. On the first day, I give up my anger. On the second day, I stop judging people. On the third day, I give up all my grudges. And on the fourth day, I forgive myself and everyone. On the fifth day, I accept everyone and myself the way we are. On the sixth day, I love myself and everyone unconditionally. On the seventh day, I give up all feelings of jealousy and guilt. On the eighth day, I give up my fears. On the ninth day, I offer my gratitude for all that I have in my life and all that I'm going to get. On the 10th day, I reinforce that the universe has abundance for all, and I will tap the same to create what I want through unconditional love, sadhana, nishkam seva, and faith. Thank you and much love. This is Jasbir.
Hi there. Dussehra means victory of good over evil and realizing the feminine power within ourselves. Hope you all enjoy this festival and happy Dussehra to all of you.
Dussehra is the time to embrace your femininity and invoke the divine goddess within you and spread love, happiness and peace.
Namaste friends. Dussehra means victory of good over evil. 10 evil faces like anger, jealousy, grudges, competition, comparison, etc. should be destroyed by unconditional love, acceptance, gratitude. So, Dussehra means victory of truth, victory of justice, victory of humanity. Thank you. Happy Dussehra to all.
What is Dussehra? This is the victory of Ram, the great master Ram, on another master Ravana. What is the metaphorical reason, my dear friends? Sita is the feminine energy. With the awakening of the feminine energies, we can get victory on everything. On 10 heads means 10 types of thoughts coming from the different mindsets. Most important part is feminine energies awakening. With the awakening of the feminine energies, we can get victory on everything. There is no negativity and there is no positivity, my dear friends. We can understand this absolute truth with the awakening of the feminine energies only. We are starting living our life with our heart, not with our mind. Everything is same. There is no two things, negative and positive. Everyone is same. Everything is same. We need mother energies, feminine energies. We have to awakening that. Happy Dussehra, my dear friends. Love you all.